Hi there, Chris here with another unbox video for you all. This video we are going to look at the new Aeldari Dark Reapers. As of today, the pre-order is up for these models and you can get your hands on them at the GW site. Games Workshop was kind enough to send me a copy of these models ahead of time to have review and such. And yeah, oh man, Dark Reapers. Oh, I like that little thing. Yeah, these are fun. Fun. All right, let's dive in. Where's my trusty rusty knife? Get in there. Let's cut this open. Let's get in there real quick like. What's this? Plastic wrap? Get out of here. All right, so let's dive in. Can I get in this time? Nope, apparently not. Nope. There we go. Why are they gonna make it so hard to get into the box? I just want in. All right, so that's it for the box. So it comes with instruction booklet, obviously, so we can assemble it and choose whatever configurations we want to go for the Exarch. It's pretty standard. Look at all the options the Exarch gets. Yeah, these guys are really darn cool. I honestly have no idea how I want to paint them. I actually might think of doing a old school scheme. I used to do my Dark Reapers way back in the Rogue Trader days. But yeah, pretty darn cool. So, comes with the transfer sheet and of course the aspect runes. The Dark Reapers are on there, so we can actually, slap some appropriate runes onto them. Comes with the bases. They look like they're 28 mils with a 25 for the little rune thing. It is 3 little sprues, or well, 1 big sprue, but like it looks like you can break it so you can put it in like a smaller box. I don't know why, but holy moly, there's lots of little parts in here. Pretty straightforward. I mean, it's the Dark Reaper kit. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of options. I'm not sure how many head options there are. It's hard to see, especially because I'm just kind of quickly glancing at these guys. But you get all the Dark Reaper heads and they got the little head plumes on them. That's really cool. I thought that was just the Exarch that had that little head plume thing. And you know what? Their skull faces don't look quite as simplified when you're looking at the actual model. So maybe it's the way they take the pictures that maybe everybody didn't like. I don't know. Oh yeah, that guy unhelmeted head. That's cool. Yeah, these are really cool. And so let's have a look at this other sprue here. It's got probably the Exarch's weapons or options. No, there's more heads on this. Oh man. Oh, look at that unhelmeted head. So you can probably do the whole squad unhelmeted. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Exarch helmet looks really cool. I like this one. It's a bit taller, a little bit scarier looking. I'm not particularly fond of the hooded head with the little devil horns coming off the side. It's cool and all. I mean, it might find its way into a conversion somewhere, but I think I'll do mine pretty either unhelmeted or helmeted. I know that like the Inari is supposed to be the unhelmeted and everything like that, but I like unhelmeted Eldar heads. It just looks cool. And sometimes the helmeted. Either way. I'm rambling at this point. But yeah, that's it. It's pretty straightforward. It's 3 little sprues, lots of options, lots of little bits. I'm sure that most of the options, assembling these models use up all the parts, but there's a few that obviously like the heads and probably the Exarch weapons that will end up in your bits box. But yeah, that's it. That is the Dark Reapers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of your brushes and they'll take care of you. I will see you guys later. I'm going to dive into these Aeldari, excuse me.